How to delete all watch later videos on YouTube. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're tired of scrolling through a long list of videos in your watch later playlist, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete all those videos at once on YouTube. Now, in order to do that, you need to simply go ahead and open up your YouTube. Once you're in the YouTube, you need to simply click on your profile icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen. From here in the playlist, you can see the watch later playlist. You need to simply go ahead and open that up. Once you're here, I have two videos in my watch later. Now, if you want to remove this, you need to simply click on the video right here. And from here, you need to simply tap on remove from watch later. Then you can repeat the process for the another videos just like this. And as you can see that your watch later is now empty. And that's it. I hope you know how to delete all watch later videos on YouTube now. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.